Hi, my name is Anderson Andrés Vesga Camacho. Eh, the case is Diamond Supermarket, character and rules. Joaquin Perez Rodriguez, founder and owner of the supermarket. His role is key in decision making. Maria Duque, Joaquin wife and right hand woman, secretary, cashier, accountant. Pedro Perez, Joaquin oldest son in charge of the supply chain, Ana Perez, Joaquin youngest daughter, works part-time as a cashier, Sofia Perez, Joaquin daughter, an agronomy student, but not directly involved in the business. Felipe Oswaldo, Rodrigo, and Juan Sebastian employees in cars of restocking and unloading merchandise. Ophelia and Jasmine supervise cleaning and security. The entry of new supermarket chain with modern infrastructure and lower price effects. Um, international problems mm, is a warehouse oversized by 16 inefficient distribution and high service costs, rudimentary supply chain with logistic problems. Suppliers dissatisfied due to non-payment and lack of legal support for products. Organizational culture, lack of job manuals, signing formal contracts, and centralized decision making for Joaquin. Joaquin health problems, early symptoms of Alzheimer's that affects his ability to make long-term decision, working condition, and work-related accidents not covered, and above standard wages, without adequate social benefits. Thank you.